Abhishek Mishra, take us through how the Supreme Court order has been taken by both sides of the divide, be it the Hindu side or the Muslim side.
Well, absolutely, Preeti. Both the sides have now accepted the fact that whatever order has been given, they have to follow it. And at the same time, we have seen also when when this petition was filed, the Muslim side was very keen on having a say on this survey to rest the situation as it is. But for now, the Supreme Court has instructed to, as far as the maintainability is concerned, the wazu should be, protected. At the same time, there has to be arrangement made separately. So that is one thing. On the other hand, it is very important that the Muslim side please challenging the maintainability of the suit to be heard on priority. This is what has been said. And also, by transferring it to the district court, this is very important that the court has felt the need of some more experience as far as this issue is concerned, and that is the only reason this has been said. So both the sides so far are now not saying much. The Hindu side has already spoken about it, and Muslim side, who was always keen about this whole survey, has been referring it as a violation of the Religious Space Act, is now is a kind of relief for them, because now this particular case will be heard by the district court, by the district judge. So that is one thing. But yes, indeed, one by one, we have been witnessing here that this whole issue, be at the survey from the start, and then the protest coming there, then the the 3-day survey again happening, the change of the court commissioner, then that important report being filed in the court, and now Supreme Court giving their standing is a clear indication that this issue is gonna take more movement now. And as far as both the sides are concerned, they all are on their stand as far as the survey, and then of course
there's been a clear amount of balance. I want to bring in Anisha back into what the Supreme Court order said today. What could be its implications? Anisha, if the order copy, I'm sure, is yet to be uploaded. But with what you heard today, it's not a win for any side, really. It's a very, very balanced order, keeping in mind the sensitivities involved, keeping in mind the entire communal, divide, which was getting only wider through the course of this trial.
Well, yes, Preeti, you've hit the nail on its head. The Supreme Court has very clearly tried to create a very, very thin balance between the expectations and demands of both sides, as well as the reality on the ground. The Supreme Court has effectively said 3 things. 1, the district judge will hear the matter, not the junior civil judge. 2, that the issue of maintainability of the petition will be heard first, and the larger implication of that order, Preeti, is that if the district court passes its order one way or another with regard to the maintainability of the petition, then that also will have an impact on whether the survey report will be taken up or not, or when it will be taken up, if it is taken up. Because if the court decides that these petitions are not maintainable, then automatically the entire creation of the court commissioner and the survey report automatically gets rejected. If the court says that no, these petitions are maintainable, then the court can go into the legality, and the Muslim side will be pressing these, that even if these petitions were maintainable, was the civil court right in passing an order for a survey? And what are the ramifications and implications of the survey itself? So the question of maintainability in itself carries a larger implications of where this hearing will go as a next step. In any case, even if whichever side loses is very, very likely to go to the High Court to challenge that verdict, and then go to the Supreme Court, whichever side is not happy with that. Secondly, what the court has said is what is there on the ground must be protected. What is being called as the Shivling by the Hindu side and the fountain by the Muslim side, that structure must be protected. There should be no damage to that structure. The Namaz that is being offered in the Gyanvapi Mosque, there should be no obstruction to the Namaz either, and there should be proper arrangements made for the wazu as well. And the court has very clearly said that it is for the district administration to ensure that everything goes off without a hitch, that there are no law and order implications regulations on the ground in this area. So the court is trying to do this tightrope walk to sort of find out what the trial court is saying, then what the High Court will have to say, and then we'll see how this plays out by the time this matter comes back to the Supreme Court in the second week of July.